RAAF Base Williamtown was established during World War II. It had an important role protecting Newcastle's port and steel factories. Williamtown became the home of the fighter. First it was the P-51 Mustang. Then in the 1950s it was the CA-27 Sabre. In the 1960s it was the Delta Wing Dassault Mirage 3. In the early 1980s we saw the first of our FA-18A Hornets arrive, and they have been a feature in the Hunter skies for over 30 years. And now the F-35A Lightning II, a supersonic stealth fighter to defeat Australia's current and emerging threats. Williamtown is also the prime operating base for airborne early warning and control, and is home to the E-7A Wedgetail aircraft, providing Australia with one of the most advanced air battlespace management capabilities in the world. Today the base employs over 3,500 people, and over 2,000 defence families live in the local community. The base is undergoing a $1.5 billion renewal, the largest redevelopment since World War II. The base shares the airport with the Newcastle Domestic Flight Terminal, connecting Newcastle to the world. RAAF Williamtown, a major contributor to the Hunter's economic growth.